How to send shared album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down and go to the Albums section at the end. You can view all your albums over here. Go to the top and tap on Shared. Open any shared album from here. If you want to send this shared album, then go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on the album name. Go to the Participants section and tap on Add Participants as shown. Here, type in the name of the person you want to add and then tap on Done. You have now shared your album with this person as well. Following these steps, you can easily send shared album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.